No, sir. You can't go out. I'll lose my job if you go out, sir. Sir, please don't do this. I hope you remember that you're in custody.
Get out of my way. I won't spare that traitor Deep. Does he really feel that he'll trap me in this case and usurp the entire property? He won't even get a single penny. I won't spare him.
Oh God, Arohi. I just can't understand at all. Why has Deep kept that Nikku alive? And why would he do this anyway? He never disobeys that Roma.
Even I'm thinking the same, Chavani. I can't understand. Why did Deep do this?
I am not sure about you, but I am getting to understand a little bit now. I can guess why Deep didn't kill Nikku. It is possible that Deep may not be the way he looks. I mean, he may be a good man.
That's enough, Chavani. You don't know anything since you are a kid. He is not a human being. He is the living image of the devil. He is the one who always thinks about betrayal, deceit, trickery and bloodshed all the time. That's it. He is not a decent man. He is just a cunning man. There must be some trick if that man has still kept Nikku alive. And I'm sure about it.
What trick, Arohi? Listen, Arohi is dead to him, understand? Then why would he keep her relatives alive? He would kill them too also.
No, Chavani. I don't know why, but I feel as if Nikku hasn't come in front of me, but he has been brought. So that Deep could find out if I am Arohi or Tara. I'm fortunate I got hold of that sharp object in the nick of time. Deep must be assured that I am Tara. And my Nikku was considering me to be Tara and running away from me repeatedly. But it's enough now. I will have to find out where and in what state Nikku is. And if Deep killed everyone, then why is Nikku still alive? What is Deep doing to Nikku?
Sir, I hope you can understand that I'm helpless. Normally, I would have never done this to you.
I can understand. You have helped me a lot. You will be rewarded for this. I need another favor. Give me your phone.
Okay.
Hello?
Hello, Mom.
Virat? How are you? Is everything okay?
Nothing is okay, Mom. I was fakely attacked in the prison cell.
What? Tell me the name of the person who dared to do this to you.
You don't need to do anything, Mom. Now Virat will take care of everything. I just want you to get me out of here. Get me out of here quickly.
Yes, Virat. Deep has been running around for that.
Deep can't do it. Deep will not do it. He isn't capable enough. You will have to do it, Mom. Only you can get me out of here because I need to take revenge from the people who have done this.
I killed them both. Threw them down this hill. Let's assume you have a situation that Arohi's sister-in-law and Nikku are alive, and I am asked to murder them both. Then will you let me kill them?
Why didn't you kill Nikku?
I cannot reveal anything to you right now, Tara.
Goddess, what is Deep trying to do? What is he thinking of? Why is it so dark in here? Who is it?
Someone who loves you a lot. By the way, the light of love is enough. But when two beating hearts are together, then even the flickering light of the candle brightens up both of their love. Tonight is going to be like that. A night of love. A night of music. A night of dimmed lights. A night for the vows that are incomplete.
What kind of vows are incomplete, Deep?
What's the hurry? Come, sit, I'll tell you.
Deep, first tell me that why is the kid still alive? And if you have spared him, then why did you hide it from me?
You are just talking about Niku. I thought that you would also want to know about Riddhi. Whether she's alive or not. However, I will not tell you about her. Because I don't want the mother of my child to be tense about anything, like anything. So please, forget about those things and don't ask me anything about it. And it would be great for our unborn child that we stay away from all these troublesome things.
Okay. I will stay away from these troublesome things. Don't tell me if you don't want to. But you can tell Mom, right?
Wait, Tara. You don't have to drive Mom into this, Tara. Or I will have no choice but to kill Niku once and for all. And you know it, that the kids have to bear the punishment of the wrongdoings of the parents. And if I really kill Niku, then the punishment of our sins will be faced by our child. Isn't it? Am I right?
You staying away from me is equally important for our child, Deep. Go and stay with Arohi's relatives. I know that you don't want to stay with me. Because anyway, all you think about is Arohi. I love you, Deep. I love you.
इश्क में मर जावा तू जो कहे वो कर जावा.
So, I was speaking the truth, right?
Now, how can I explain to you that my Tara never spoke like this the way you are doing?
Really? What do you mean by that?
I mean this, that if you were my Tara, then Virat would know by now that Niku is alive.
Brother Virat doesn't know anything yet because I don't want any commotion in my house, Deep. I knew it very well that if something bad happens to Niku, it will affect our unborn child. What can I do? I am going to be a mother after all.
Oh. So you did all of this for the child. I thought that you did this to save your husband. That is why I was saying that this is not Tara speaking to me.
Yes. I never told Brother Virat anything to save you, not because you are my husband, okay? I did because I didn't want a commotion in the house. And anyway, you are not the old Deep anymore, who loved me and took care of my smallest needs. All you think about is Arohi and not me. That is why, on the eve of Holi, you mentioned Arohi's name while saving me.
Yes, I did say Arohi's name that night, but not because I'm in really love with her, and not because that I remembered her. I did it because you are not Tara.
Then who am I?
Arohi.
Love and Destiny are calling. Watch the full episode of To Die for Love now. A new episode of Passion and Secrets unfolds every Monday to Friday. Subscribe today and stay with us on this unforgettable journey.